I told myself this is the last day. Getting tired of fuck around the pressure with the sad face. Shawty hella fine, like turn around, like what the say? Wasn't last place, now I smash things. I want all the pleasure, cause I really had pain. Walking through the pressure, that's my mantra, like my last name. Trying to roll, cause I know it's just a bad game. Tell them this is draft day. In my pocket, selling broke, this is my last day. Wait, try to tell them this is draft day. No more walking around the present with a sad face. I see some people dying, they ain't never coming back again. They was busting shots, if no one bleed, they double back again. I ain't talking condoms when I say they in the mag and them. Southern California, but sometimes it feel Afghanistan. Wait, who adopted them? Wait, bring the father in. They was praising God in church, but I see a lot of sin. They don't fight no more, they got a burger, shit ain't bother them. I say out the way, I'm trying to put on for my mama and them. Tell them this is draft day. In my pocket, selling broke, this is my last day. Wait, try to tell them this is draft day. No more walk around the present with a sad face. I ain't signed up for the army, but it felt like I was drafted. Every step was like a march, but my spirit never fractured. Saw the violence in my view, couldn't let me be a capture. Mama said on higher heights, cause I knew I'd be a master. We was trained in survival, that's the only lesson taught. And the streets ain't place for love, but I'm learning what I saw. And no matter what I fought, I'ma make it, I ain't dying on the block. Tell them this is draft day. In my pocket, selling broke, this is my last day. Wait, try to tell them this is draft day. No more walking around the present with a sad face. Tell them this is draft day. In my pocket, selling broke, this is my last day. Wait, try to tell them this is draft day. No more walking around the present with a sad face.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Off-Road Diaries. I hope you're enjoying all this action like I am. We're gonna keep on going. Look who we got with us, guys. We got Tig in his new Maverick R. Sweet. Guys, no lie, I was gonna record right back. I'm just by myself. I don't have a clamp or anything. But good rip back, and then I had to like jump off onto the sand highway because, dude, I've burned through so much gas. Guys, I didn't want to give the review before I really got to drive it to Devils and back, but man, once you supercharge a Pro R, man, there's no going back, guys. Like it's freaking awesome. But I made a boo-boo. I messed up. I burnt through my limit strap because I forgot to put the little heat shield on it. I was going and I was booking it pretty hard, and Steve was like, your car's on fire, your car's on fire. But Tig, what do you guess burned on my car? Just take a look right in this area.
Oh, you see, used to be the limit strap right over here. It is not currently connected.
Yeah, let's get some air conditioning, guys. What's up, guys? So I haven't talked to you much. Chris hasn't talked to you much, and Baby Miles hasn't said much of anything. It's in the middle of the day. My temperature on my gauge cluster has been reading 100 and something degrees, which is not great to ride in, believe it or not. Thank God for these cooled seats. You press a little button and you get a little air breeze on your back. But anyways, it's been hot, guys. So a little toasty. Definitely the hottest day I've ever rode at St. Anthony's. But we've been just chilling at this lake. That's the cool thing, guys. No, this is not AI. This is a real lake. It's called Egan Lake, and yes, those are the dunes. So if you've never been to St. Anthony's before, yes, you can come to the lake on a hot day, and that's what I love about St. Anthony's.
I love just coming to the lake, hanging out during big events at one of the bigger areas. They do slides and stuff. It's fun, but it is hot. My cooled seat is like not keeping up with how hot it is.
I don't think it was designed for 100-degree days.
Probably not.
So
bougie, though.
I will say this, guys. It's still been a good getaway. Because after working every single day, all day long, I needed to just take a little day and a half break. And then I'm going to go home and I'm going to grind all day Sunday. But we got more stuff to come. Night riding. There's going to be a lot of other stuff that happens in this video. We're going to go back to Idaho Dunes. Our buddy Mike that owns the place, They did a fun little drag racing this morning at the hill, and then a Devil's Dune, which is the tallest dune in St. Anthony's. And yeah, so we're gonna go back. He's giving away free food. They got a silent auction.
6:30 p.m. Free dinner and live music with a silent auction that benefits the Fremont County Fraternal Order of Police.
Yeah, and that's another cool thing that that Mike does, is the fact that they donate this money to the sheriff's department. Any bit of the money they make on the silent auction, and it really helps out the sheriff's department around here that doesn't have a lot of funding. So I totally support that. And the cops out here, we've got to know them. It's a small town. St. Anthony's is not big. You see the cops out here a lot. They're really, really cool guys. So anyways, let's get back home.
What are you doing, baby? What you doing? Are you playing? Oh, you want me to get up? Where are we going? Woo! Good job, baby! You did it! All by yourself! Wow! Good job, Miles. High five, dude. You did that all by yourself, baby. Nicely done. We're just over here hanging out at the Idaho Dunes RV Park event that they're putting on. They've got a live band, free corn dogs, good times. Miles, of course, the playground. It's hard to get him away from it, but it's a good playground. It's so much fun. The kids love it. So now he's confident about going down the slide, so he's just going up and down now. I had to bribe him to go down by going with him, and the slide got the best of me. It took off some skin on my knee, my ankle, my elbow. I told Miles, I'm done. It's your turn. If you want to do it, you gotta do it by yourself, huh, baby? Mastering those ladder.
You got free corn dogs. Thanks, Mike. So they do like a silent auction over there. Like I was saying, they got a bunch of stuff donated to the sheriff's department, which is awesome. The sun is setting now. I think we need to go do a quick sunset rip and come back. Guys, I figure while we are out for a nice ride and it's a beautiful sunset, there's no better way to explain to you guys how much I love this freaking supercharger, man. Like, it freaking... No, it's not the fastest car. There was a group of people we were actually just following that was Hanson Performance. And I know at least one of those cars is 800 horsepower, zero issues keeping up. Could he outrun me up a hill? 100%. But guys, you can only use so much of the power. Unless you're drag racing, then you need all of it. But when you're tuning, man, you don't use so much. So, I guess my pitch to you is if you want a Packard supercharger, but you want a test ride, I'll probably let you ride, not let you drive. But I'll definitely take you for a rip. Every time I take somebody for a rip in a supercharged Pro R, they almost always buy one. The torque, it's instant, it's fun. It's just a good time. In the meanwhile, me and Miles and Krista, we're gonna enjoy the sunset, guys.